I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making all 3 Musketeers. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I'm sure you're familiar with the 3 Musketeers bar, a fluffy chocolate nougat wrapped in milk chocolate. What you may not know though is that originally they also came with vanilla and strawberry nougat, each package containing one of each flavor. 3 candy bars, 3 Musketeers. I've been wanting to do this recipe for a while, but I've been reluctant because even though I've had success in the past, I'm still a little bit intimidated by the meringue that's a staple of nougat recipes. But comments from Jersey Girl, Kirsten, Adam, and Mighty Mo inspired me to keep it on my to-do list. Well, I'm happy to say that I stumbled across a nougat recipe that really couldn't be much easier. I found it on the grouprecipes.com website, and I can't wait to show it to you. I'll leave a link in the description. So let's hop in the confectionery time machine and make some candy like it's 1932. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own 3 Musketeers, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I'll share a little more history about this tasty triple treat. Here's what I'm using for this recipe. For the chocolate nougat, 1/3 cup of milk chocolate and 1/2 cup of marshmallow cream. For the vanilla nougat, 1/3 cup of white chocolate, 1/2 cup of marshmallow cream, and 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the strawberry nougat, 1/3 cup of white chocolate, 1/2 cup of marshmallow cream, 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and some red food coloring. Finally, I'll be using 1 cup of milk chocolate for dipping. I'm also using some bowls, a spatula, a mixer, a cutting board, some parchment paper, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. For the chocolate nougat, melt the chocolate and combine it with the marshmallow cream. You can do this by hand, but the mixer makes it a little fluffier. It's really too soft to form at this point, so let it sit on the counter for half an hour or so. The vanilla nougat follows the same procedure, but you're going to add the vanilla extract. Leave it on the counter to firm up. Same with the strawberry, but instead of vanilla extract, you'll add the strawberry extract and food coloring. I'd suggest tasting the nougat once it's mixed to make sure you're getting enough strawberry flavor. Again, let it rest until it's firm enough to shape. Form the nougat into bars and let them rest on the counter for another half hour or so. Melt or temper your chocolate and dip a bar into it. Drain the excess and return it to the lined cutting board. Repeat with the rest of the bars, then leave them on the counter until the chocolate is set. I drizzled patterns onto the strawberry and vanilla candies just so I'd know which was which. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. We'll start with the chocolate. Sláinte mhath. Now the strawberry. And vanilla. I'm going to say that I like the chocolate best, but the strawberry and vanilla are really good as well, and really a nice change. You can even experiment with different flavors, like citrus or mint. These are really good, and I'm grateful to all of you who suggested it. To sum it all up, if you want to treat your taste buds to a little candy history, you really ought to try these. All three of them. As I mentioned, the Three Musketeers bar was introduced by the Mars Company in 1932. It contained 3 different flavored pieces of candy, chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, and cost 5 cents per package. During World War II, sugar rationing was instituted, so in 1945, Mars decided to make only the chocolate nougat bars. Over the years, other flavors like mocha, French vanilla, cherry, orange, and raspberry were released for a limited time, but only the chocolate flavor has stood the test of time. Finally, what we and our Canadian neighbors call a Three Musketeers bar is known as a Milky Way bar by the rest of the world. Not only that, but our Milky Way bar is, in every other country, called a Mars bar. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. A sheet of You can even experiment with different flavors, like citrus or citrus.